There is a brand new release from Planything that is here to remind you spring is on the way. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I have a brand new release from Planything to share with you. This goes live on February the 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. I believe we have washi tape and three sticker books. So let's flip through and check them out. Okay, let's start with the washi tapes. Beautiful in the spring colors. I've got to put them in rainbow order because that's who I am as a person. Okay, so we have 6 brand new washi tapes. These are the skinnier washi tapes, which I very much enjoy. We have this beautiful triangle arrow in the pink, a pink stripe, an orange yellowish stripe, a yellow scallop. You know I love the scallops. A green grid, a spring green, and then a beautiful purple kind of hexy honeycomb look. So gorgeous new washies. You all have heard me say it before. I love, love, love the Planything washies because I think they're so versatile. I think you can use them in lots and lots of different ways. And they're just like great basics to have in your collection. So loving the new washi. I know I'm going to get questions. These are available individually. This is not the washi tape subscription. This is not the sticker subscription. These are just a regular release from Planything. So you'll be able to shop all of these individually. So if you are like a cool color girly and you just want green and purple, or you like all the warms, or whatever the case may be, you can pick and choose what you want from these sets. How gorgeous are those? Okay, so brand new washi tapes, beautiful, beautiful, and then 3 brand new sticker books. Okay, it looks like there are 2 decorative sticker books and 1 basics. I'm going to check out the basics first. Let's get this open. This is called Shapes in Boxes, 300 stickers, 15 sticker sheets. And look, it kind of matches the colors, you guys. Like it matches the washi. We're just missing, there's blue instead of purple. So that's super great. Okay, these are going to be the spring colors. You have this beautiful light pink color. Very nice. A more vibrant pink, you would say, maybe magenta-ish, not all the way magenta. I like the hexies and the different sizes. We get into red. Oh, we're going to do all the colors here, friends. Amber is not messing around. Look at all the colors. Okay, I say this, I want you to know you can use any sticker in any size planner, but I know that my girls that love a smaller planner, like the mini or the tall size, these stickers are like ideal for a little bit of a smaller planner. Oh, look at the 2 different yellows, like pastel yellow, more of a goldenrod. Not to say that you cannot use these in a classic, which is what I use, the grande size or a big planner. You totally can. You guys, this is like all the colors. Geez, this is really good. Ooh, this is like an olive green, like an olive gray green. Getting into the light blue. All I'm saying is that it does work well in the small, and not all sticker books do. So love the navy. I'm here for this, you guys. This is nice. You know I'm going to love the purple. This is coming off more as blue to me than purple. I feel like it was meant to be purple, but it's definitely a blue. But a different version. So I like that. Neutral. Love. Okay, so every sheet is a different color. Look at all those colors represented. That's a great basic sticker book. If you are looking for function, that's a great one to get. Shapes and Boxes, 15 different colors. Love that. Then we have 2 decorative sticker books. Let's see what Amber has for us. Okay, this one is called Seasonal Ambiance. 298 stickers, 15 sticker sheets. It looks like it has multiple seasons in one book. Look at the happy snowmen. They are living their best life. Love that. This is on clear sticker paper, by the way. A nice thick clear sticker paper. Have a little bit of a holiday cheer, holiday twist here. Those are sweet. I like the colors. I love the detailed ornaments. Then we get into New Year's. Beautiful and celebratory, you guys, with the Valentines. I love it. It's so pretty. These are great. And then you have some functional stickers. I feel like these go into the spring colors. Some spring images, florals. Those are beautiful eggs. I love that. With some bunnies. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Yes, please. I like it. So here's what's different about this sticker book than other sticker books you're going to see. You're not going to get a bunch of repeats. You get one page with that theme, which some people might go, oh, I wish I had more. But the truth is, like, this is enough for a spread. And then you move on. You're going to want to do another theme. You may not want a whole sticker book with all of those same colors the whole time. Beautiful fall. So this is enough to do a spread, maybe some daily pages. And then you kind of, oh, look at those sweet ghosts. And then you get to try something new. This is going to cover, a month each time. Some function, go with the flow. You got this. To do, self-care, self-care. Don't forget to be awesome. It's so true. Don't worry, be happy. The plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Beautiful. I feel like this one, you get 15 sticker sheets. How many? We had 1 functional, 2 functional, 3 functional plus a quote page. So you have 11 sticker sheets that are different images or different themes, which is like 11 different planner spreads, which is pretty remarkable. I love that. Super pretty. Okay, that is Seasonal Ambiance. Beautiful. We may have to bust into the Valentine's Day one. We'll see if that one is what we use for planning. And then we have Happy Spring, another book with 15 different sheets. I can already tell some of these I'm going to be obsessed with, so we will see. Y'all, look at the little wardrobe, the spring wardrobe. Again, these stickers slightly smaller than you may see in other sticker books, which to me makes them more versatile. Loving the pinks in here. It's giving me all the cherry blossom vibes for sure. Oh, stop. With the purple. Look at the umbrella with the purples. That's beautiful. Oh, I feel like this one you get a couple pages. Oh, it's so good. Beautiful. Love the vibes. Guys, spring is coming. It's coming. There's still snow on the ground, but we're going to have spring. I love it. Look at the, oh, I love the scenes. Scenes kind of take me away for a second in my planner, which makes me really happy. Beautiful for Easter. Those are sweet. Some functional boxes. Oh, pretty. Oh, this is just calling, begging for clusters around your page. So lovely. Gorgeous and beautiful. Those are fun. This one as well. Those are pretty. It's like the perfect amount of those decorative stickers. It's not overwhelming. It's not like you'll never use all of these, because you definitely will. Those are simply just beautiful. So some fabulous new release items from Planything. I am very excited to play with these in my planner. Again, I do have a link down below. That's an affiliate link, and I have a discount code. So make sure you grab that code before you go shop to help save on your order. That is always very helpful to save just a little bit here and there. So check down in the description box down below to see that link and that discount code. All right, I think I'm going to do some planning. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, so we'll have to see. We're going to plan in my faith planner, my big faith planner. We're going to plan for a week that I've already started. I just am behind on decorating. Let's do it. Okay, today I opted to go with the seasonal ambiance because I want to use those beautiful Valentine stickers. I am working in my venti size faith planner. This is the faith planner that I use day in, day out. I was traveling over the weekend, so I did not get a chance to set up my faith planner for the week to decorate it. However, I've already started working in it. I've already started writing in it. You can decorate at any point. You don't have to have an empty spread to decorate it. I could decorate this completely after the fact. For me, in my faith planner, being in it, writing my notes, that's the most important part. If I get the chance to decorate either before, during, or after, that is the bonus part for my faith planning. So we're going to decorate a couple days into the week, and I'm starting with some gorgeous washi tape. I have enjoyed decorating in kind of a vertical format this year. In my faith planner, I've kind of really settled into liking what that looks like, what it feels like, and that's what I'm going to go with. Now, I am whiting out the scripture references from the first 2 days. I promise I will add them back in. I just knew that I was going to put something else there. I'm just going to white them out. We'll write them back in on the functional boxes that I choose. We're doing these vertical lines of washi, and then I'm going to layer that. That's something else that I've really been enjoying this year, is playing with washi, how you can layer it, how you can put it together, how it can really make a big impact on your page. I feel like washi tape is one of those things we all fall in love with, but sometimes forget to grab for. And I've been putting an emphasis on it and have really enjoyed the fact that you can make such a large visual impact on your page with washi tape, and it's just not very expensive to pick up, to use. Rarely do I ever run out of a particular washi roll just because there's so much on the roll. I've kind of fallen in love again with washi tape, and I think there's so many ways you can do it. So I started with these two big stripes down the page. That's going to be kind of the plumb line, if you will. That's going to be where all the decorative elements kind of bounce off of, are those two vertical areas. Next up, I'm playing with some of the decorative pieces. Like I said, you don't have an overage of all of these decor pieces, meaning you get to have more themes within one book, which I really like. So I'm going to use every single one of these Valentine stickers on this page. I'm cutting some stickers in half. I feel like you get more bang for your buck that way. So I have it trailing off one side of the page, picked up on the other side of the page. And I'm using the larger stickers first, getting those in place. And then I'm going to bring in function before I come back with these smaller stickers. So it's kind of a pattern that I follow with most of my decorating. The largest elements go on the page first, and you work smaller and smaller from there. I am going to cluster a couple of different decorative boxes on each day. This is where I will write these scripture references, and you'll see me fill these in at the end of the video from the ones that I've already done this week. It's a fun way to kind of change it up. Normally I would just do one big box right here, but having a couple of different ones just gives it a different look. It gives it a very full, abundant look as it's kind of cascading down the page. And then once all the boxes are in place, I can go back with some of the smaller decorative stickers and fill in some of the gaps and kind of make it flow even better. Another option, if I did not want to use all of these boxes, would have been to use a craft knife and very carefully cut out the washi tape that is inside each of the squares on this layout, and then that would have left that open for writing. So there's different ways to kind of work it depending on how you want to use the boxes, how you want to use the washi tape. I just happen to think it looks pretty cool to have all the boxes cascading down the page, so it's something I enjoy. I wanted to keep that on there. All right, we're going to get the last couple of boxes on here. And then, like I said, we're going to come back with these decorative elements and I'm going to fill these in on some of the sections that have a little bit more white space. The cool part, even though I already have writing there, these are clear stickers, so I can still read my writing after putting the sticker down. That's a bonus. And I'm just going to have fun adding these little elements. This is for the last week of January going into February. So we're getting all of the February feels without starting February quite yet. I guess February starts on Saturday when this releases. So it'll get me in the February zone as we're going through the rest of the week. Look how cute this spread is. It's just so fun to change things up to do, you know, it's not really, I mean, this thing took me maybe 15-20 minutes total to decorate, if that, and it's just a fun little element. I love seeing the bright colors when I open up my planner for the week. It just works out really, really well. I'm so excited that I got a chance to decorate for the week. All right, once those elements are done, then I just need to add a date because I'm using an undated faith planner. Again, this faith planner is available over in my shop, so you can be sure to check that out. I'm going to add some dates and then cut the 2 pages apart. That's going to be it. I will rewrite the scripture references in the open boxes and then pop this back into my faith planner, ready to go for the rest of the week. So don't forget, this is a huge new release from Planything, 3 new sticker books, 6 new washi tapes, all available February the 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to check out that affiliate link and most importantly, the discount code down below to save you a bit on your order. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. We are kicking off Magenta Moments of Love in the month of February. Lots of fun craft projects and planning projects and paper projects all around the color magenta and the theme of love. So head on over to Patreon to find out more. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.